Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use corn to make super effective and natural corn face scrub and a corn face mask. And to prepare the scrub and the mask, we firstly gonna need corn paste. And to prepare this paste, we are gonna need fresh corn and rose water. And if you don't have the rose water, then you can also take the normal water. So firstly, we have to put our fresh corn into a grinding or a mixing jar. Then we have to add approx 4 to 5 teaspoons of rose water or the normal water into it, and then grind it really nicely to make a smooth paste. And after mixing it well, your homemade corn paste is ready to use. So firstly, let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this suntan removal corn scrub. So firstly, we'll need that corn paste which we have just made. Then we're gonna need gram flour. And lastly, we need glycerin. So to prepare this scrub, we firstly have to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of this corn paste in a clean bowl. Then we have to add 1.5 teaspoons of gram flour in it. And then just give a slight mix to both these ingredients. After mixing them well, you have to add half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. And then again give a good mix to all these 3 ingredients to make a smooth paste. And after mixing all the ingredients really nicely, your homemade suntan removal corn scrub is ready, and it will look something like this. So you just have to apply this face scrub on your face and neck and gently massage it in upward and outward motion and scrub your skin gently for about 1 or 2 minutes. And after scrubbing it for few minutes, just rinse it off with normal water and pat dry your skin. And now let's see what other ingredients do we need to prepare this skin brightening corn face pack. So firstly, we need that same corn paste. Then we need turmeric powder. After that, we are gonna need gram flour. And lastly, we are gonna need olive oil. So firstly, to prepare this face pack, we firstly have to take approx 2 to 3 teaspoons of this corn paste in a clean bowl. Then we have to add approx half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. After that, add 1 teaspoon of gram flour into it. And then just mix all these 3 ingredients really nicely to make a smooth paste. And now lastly, to add the moisture ingredient into this paste, we are gonna add half a teaspoon of olive oil into it. But if you have oily skin or you don't want to add the olive oil into it, then you can totally skip it. And after adding the olive oil, just give a slight mix to all these ingredients so that it makes a smooth and a lump-free paste. And after mixing all the ingredients really nicely, your homemade skin brightening face pack is ready, and it will look something like this. So you just have to apply a thick coat of this face pack all over your face and neck. And after applying it nicely, just leave it to dry completely for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. Both these face scrub and face pack helps in suntan removal and also lightening your dark spots, pigmentation and acne marks. It helps in skin brightening and making your skin glowing, radiant and spotless, and gives you a very radiant and a glowy skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.